Inspire children's intellectual potential. Explore new ways of family entertainment. AI Intelligent Go Bang. A machine. 9 pleasures. Classic Go Bang. Enjoy the battle of strategy and wisdom. Long press the power button to turn it on. Short press the power button to start the game. Green light at the bottom of the chessboard. Signal green to play chess. Light up anywhere. The one with 5 particles in a row wins. Both horizontal and vertical are okay. Short press the level switch button. Select levels of different difficulty levels. Short press the play switch button. Select another game mode. Second connect for. Difficulty level up. Happy upgrade. Down from the top. Victory in the 4 in a row. So much fun. 3 Tic-Tac-Toe. 9 palace grid subordinate. Easy to learn. Suitable for all ages. 4 Reversi. Crack flip. The player with the most chess wins. Surprise after surprise. The above for classic board games. You can short press the level switch button. Choose 2-player battle. Enjoy the fun of parenting. Or AI challenge mode. Select levels of different difficulty levels. Let the AI coach accompany you to grow rapidly. There are also 5 fun game modes waiting for you to challenge. 5th, free drawing. Colorful dot matrix painting. Be creative at will. 6, whack-a-mole. Quick to see. Very happy. 7, master of memory. Just 3 seconds. Challenge the limits of your memory. 8, Candy Crush. Click to transpose. Triple connection elimination. Release pressure. 9, Anti-Rat Pioneer. 2-player battle. Strategy and speed go hand in hand. The above for decompression games. There are 1 to 3 difficulty levels to choose from. Safety and environmental protection. ABS material. Silicone buttons. Soft to the touch. Innovative lighting interactive chessboard. Lightweight and portable. Anytime, anywhere. Play if you want. Multifunctional backgammon 9-in-1 game machine. Let AI help children grow.